There's a video that we did concerning the control valve for the steering, and this is where it actually came from. This is part 2 of that steering. We talked about the EF. EF is a compensator between the two valves, the steering and the dumb box. This is actually the compensator. This hose here. This hose here. It's coming on the block. There is also this hose is coming from the pump. Is HP is high pressure hose. There is also we talked about the one for pilot. PP, this is the one that we are talking about. All in all, whenever we are talking about steering, we should be dealing with about one hose, high pressure, then there is a compensator between two control valve. There is also a tank line. There must be also two pilot to control both sides. Since it is using Obitro, no wonder we are seeing a number of hoses that are there. Let's look at what we are talking about. That is this pump is actually the pump for the steering that we are talking about. There's another pump there underneath there. That is a dumb box for the valve for the dumb box. This is what we are looking at. That pump is actually a scavenging pump as well as the transmission pump. This pump here, the yellow pump. This is what we look at. Let's come to the brake. This is a high pressure filter for the brakes. If you look at it, there are also accumulators for the brakes. These two accumulators are for the brakes. This is a brake solenoid. This is actually which allow oil to go to the front and rear axle. When you look at the transmission area, you can see a number of hoses that are coming to this transmission. The main part of the transmission is this guy here. This is where the solenoid. This is where the solenoid. I hope you can get that's doing the opening and closing to control the transmission. We talked about last time that this part of the transmission just for forward and reverse, and there is also another section which we can talk about, the one for the speed. This is actually the one, this spool here is the one for the speed. You can see that usually it is numbered. It's actually 1, 2, 3 there. They are all coming from this. Are controlling the speed. These two are controlling the direction, and this guy here is actually for the transducer. You can see the number of hoses here. It's the one which is coming from the pump. So whenever we are dealing with this is one which is bringing. You can see there is from the filter, and there's also it's indicated there to the torque converter. So whenever we're dealing this kind of transmission, this is what we look at. So this guy here is a lockup. Lockup. You can see that it's coming from a transmission. This is a lockup. It's the one which actually must be a coil there. Must be a coil there. That is a coil that locks the torque converter in order to do its job. What other thing can we look at? The type of track that we are looking at, this kind of a track, it's a XYZ. The Chinese designed track that we are talking about. Let's come. This is an engine that it's a Benz engine. It is it's actually it's a Benz engine design. You can see the turbocharger there. There's also the fan outside. You can see everything that we actually doing. That is a starter motor. This is a filters. These are the filters. The hydraulic oil. This is a fuel filter. And that is the radiator for the machine. Okay, that is the radiator for the machine. Okay. What we are talking about is this type of machine that I hope you can pick out what we are seeing here. This is the type of machine that we are looking at. It's actually a Chinese design track. Let's go inside to see what is it. This is a controller that